In today's digital age, email marketing is a powerful tool for businesses to connect with their audience and drive conversions. However, with the average person receiving hundreds of emails each day, it can be challenging to capture their attention and stand out in a crowded inbox. The key lies in crafting irresistible email subject lines that compel recipients to open your message. In this article, we will explore 5 psychological hacks that will help you boost your open rates and increase the effectiveness of your email marketing campaigns. Tap into emotions. Emotional objectives play a crucial role in capturing the reader's attention and encouraging them to engage with your email. By understanding your target audience's needs, desires, and pain points, you can create subject lines that resonate on an emotional level. For example, discover the secret to financial freedom. Say goodbye to stress. Unleash your inner zen. These subject lines appeal directly to readers who are seeking solutions or relief from specific problems they may be facing. Provide unique rationale. To make your subject line compelling, it is essential to provide readers with a unique rationale for opening your email. Give them a clear reason why they should invest their time in reading what you have to say or offering what you have in store for them. For instance, unlock exclusive insider tips from industry experts. Be among the firsts. Get early access before anyone else. By emphasizing exclusivity or providing valuable insights not easily accessible elsewhere, you give readers a strong incentive to click on your email. Utilize numbers. Numbers add credibility and concreteness while also breaking up text visually within an inbox filled with plain text subjects. Incorporating numbers into subject lines helps grab attention quickly by offering specific benefits or promises. 10 time-saving hacks every busy professional should know. 5 secrets to doubling your sales in 30 days. Numbers provide a clear indication of what readers can expect from your email, making them more likely to open it. Expand on points. While brevity is crucial when crafting subject lines, it's equally important to give readers a glimpse of what they will find inside the email. Expanding on points or teasing valuable content can pique curiosity and encourage opens. Discover how our new product can revolutionize your daily routine. Learn the step-by-step process for creating engaging social media content. By hinting at the specific benefits or information waiting inside, you create an irresistible urge for readers to explore further. Use psychological triggers. Certain psychological triggers have been proven effective in influencing human behavior. Incorporating these triggers into your subject lines can significantly improve open rates. Urgency. Limited time offer. Don't miss out. Curiosity. You won't believe what we've uncovered. Personalization. Reader's name. This one's just for you. These triggers evoke emotions and create a sense of anticipation, compelling recipients to click and discover what lies behind the subject line. In conclusion, crafting irresistible email subject lines requires tapping into emotions, providing unique rationale, utilizing numbers, expanding on points, and incorporating psychological triggers effectively. By implementing these 5 psychological hacks into your email marketing strategy, you can boost your open rates and increase engagement with your target audience. Remember that each audience is unique. Test different approaches and analyze data to refine your approach continually. With practice and experimentation, you'll be able to craft subject lines that captivate recipients' attention every time they see an email from you in their inbox.